Beautiful Lamu, rumored as one of the more dangerous places to be here in Kenya. Honestly, I just think it's one of Kenya's best kept secrets. Join me as we explore more of this amazing gem. It's currently 7:30 and we're planning to head back to the sand dunes over there. The sun has actually been covered by a lot of clouds, so I think by the time we get to those sand dunes we'll have some amazing colors to work with for some awesome video and awesome photos.
It's cover.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good, good. You?
Good. Are you seriously doing makeup on a boat and using your phone as a mirror?
It's called Desperate Times. It's called for Desperate Methods.
Guys, so during this trip Hamdi has slipped or fallen so many times and she's had so many flops. I wish I could record all of them, but I missed all of them.
The universe wants me, okay?
But anyway guys, here's a short clip that will make up for that. Oh look, oh, it's so cute. I found a wild bottle here in the sand dunes. It's called Zam. Anyway, I'm just gonna collect, put it in my bag and throw it. Speaking of which, I want to start a small initiative of traveling to these different places that I'm traveling to and just collecting plastic on the way. And if you guys are also up for doing something of the sort, I'd really appreciate it. If you're traveling, you find trash on the ground and pick it up, take a selfie and just hashtag Adventure Sing Recycling or something like that. We'll find a hashtag, but yeah, maybe we can do something like that and I'll repost you guys in my stories with a huge thanks. That would be awesome. We're done at the dunes. I am so hungry, so we're gonna head back to the hotel and eat some food. I highly recommend coming to these dunes. It's quite a bit of a workout. If you want to get that blood pumping during your holiday, this would be like the perfect place. And if you want to take amazing photos or video, goals right here. Look, they have a dustbin over here. It's just this random kiondo down here, but yeah, don't litter up there. You can just litter here. If I can reach my bottle. There you go. Good littering. We're over here. We're over here. Don't let us die. Ahmed, habari yako? Nzuri. Nzuri kabisa. You changed.
Yes, I did.
You're so lucky. You have that privilege, huh? It's going to be our ride for today. I can show you the world.
Shining, shimmering, splendid.
When you can't have a flying red carpet, get a boat. So there seems to be a little small issue with the magic carpet. Did we jinx it?
You probably jinxed it.
So it turns out he was just trying to switch it on while it was in gear. Anyway, so we're off to Lamu Old Town to do a little bit of a tour of what the place looks like. Habari yako?
Nzuri Saidi.
Alright guys, so fortunately for us, it's a little bit cloudy today. Seems like it might also rain. That's a good thing because we won't get burnt during this tour, especially because we left like really late. That Said is going to be guiding us around the town today. While you're in Lamu town, you'll notice that there's a lot of donkeys. That's because donkeys are the main mode of transport of passengers and goods here in Lamu because the streets are quite narrow. Donkey, oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. So they have a donkey sanctuary here where they bring all the sick donkeys and they're treated for free of charge. How cool is that? So while you're in Lamu, you'll notice that sign a lot. And it's basically a good luck sign because like Said was just telling us that a long time ago they used to use the moon and the star to get around and it basically became a charm of good luck. guys, that's a well. Hey, how deep is that?
Oh my gosh. 18 feet.
Hey, try.
Ah, Raji.
Guys, this is harder than it looks. I mean, bado ni mbali sana. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Guys, have you seen how fast it's doing it?
Okay, wow. Take it up now.
Hey, 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 okay. What? Yo, but you still can't backflip. Lamu is an Arabic Swahili county and the architecture here heavily reflects that. You'll also notice that the older buildings here have these really cool carved wooden doors. Guys, so this shop over here is called Fish and they recycle slippers and stuff that you find on the beach.
We're maintaining beach, we found all flip-flops, they wood.
Look at this. So you have these that are made out of flip-flops and you have these. It's so interesting. So this would be a really good place to support. Today we're gonna ride a donkey. You know how to ride a horse, right?
I know how to ride a horse,
So this shouldn't be a problem for you.
Look at how his legs are so long.
I know. Alright, so that marks a beautiful tour here in Old Town Lamu. I just decided to shoot a montage and stuff, actually vlog, because I was listening to the history, which is really interesting, by the way. So if you guys ever get a chance, you have to do this. I need to show you guys the most the most exciting thing. Okay, if you follow me, this is the lobby to my new room. And then that is my new room. Oh my god. Wow. This is going to be my palace for the next, well, actually it's tonight. We're leaving tomorrow, so one night. Let me show you guys the balcony. How do you get there? Look at this, guys. That's the balcony. Wow. And that's the view. Okay, somebody pinch me right now. What? This is wild. I need to mention that, okay, the room isn't ready yet. They're actually still cleaning up before I actually move into here, but this room goes for 115,000 a night.
150.
150.
150.
Wow, guys, that's $1,500 a night in this beautiful room. So it's incredibly luxury. What? All right, lunchtime, and I got some honey chicken and chips.
I got a pizza marinara.
Awesome, guys. So our starters, we had I had crab claws and you had tuna
Tartar.
Those are basically heaven coming down and creating kids with like a chef. So the next event for the day is kayaking, and we're going to be kayaking through those mangroves that you guys saw in yesterday's video. We passed through them on the dhows, but today we're going to be going through the channels that go through. What are you doing? Have you ever kayaked before?
Practicing. Nope.
You have never kayaked before?
But
Don't worry, it's super easy. Easy, right?
I have here to my destination.
I'll see you at the mangroves. Alright, so let me get on my kayak as well. like they're so calm. But we have been told that if you fall inside the water, the currents are really strong and you'll basically be pushed into these mangroves. And the thing with mangroves is you have oyster shells attached to them and they're really, really sharp. I think you see, like that, you gotta maneuver yourself properly. You know what jazzes me the most is that once upon a time that I thought you couldn't do such things while you're in Kenya. In fact, I had to go to a place like Thailand to realize that these things exist. And it's extremely heartwarming to know that we have this thing here in Kenya. Now let me control my kayak before I plunge to my death.
What?
You keep crashing into the mangroves.
No.
Crash, 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 crash. Did you get stuck? So this is what it's like trying to land. Well, flying a drone while you're in a kayak and then trying to land it is the most stressful thing ever. Okay, come down.
Landing successful.
Wow, guys, we just the sun just dipped right over there. That was so incredible. There it is, like there it is. Wow. We're done with the kayaks. Alright guys, so I did not get a chance to give you guys a tour of this incredible room. So let me do that shortly. Check out this B-roll. So we just found that they have an area over here for bonfires and we're just gonna chill here for, well, most of the night, take in the stars, enjoy the fire while the wind blows, and I think I'll call that the end of the vlog. Tomorrow is gonna be, okay, well, tonight is our final night here in Lamu. Tomorrow we're gonna head to Malindi and I'm going to miss this place so much. It's been such an amazing time. So well, as they say, all good things must come to an end. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you're new here, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Fan of the day.